Prediction number 4 is all about interest rates. I think the Bank of Canada is going to drop its policy rate 1% from 3.25 to 2.25%. That prediction I made all the way back in January has turned out pretty good, as the Bank of Canada has cut another quarter point down to 2.25%, and there is still one more meeting to go here. So you now have variable rate mortgages below 4% in that 3.75% range, and 5-year fixed rates hovering around that 4.25% range. So there's a half-point spread between the two now. Historically, variable rates have been lower than fixed rates. You pay for payment security, but for the last 3 years or so, it's been flipped, where actually fixed rates have been a little bit lower than variable. We're now back to normal. The Bank of Canada's last meeting for 2025 is in December, and what do I think is going to happen? I'm going to go on a limb and say I think there's one more cut to come this year. But the consensus so far amongst the economists and the guys that are making all these predictions is that we're probably at or very close to the bottom of this rate cutting cycle. So I don't think we're getting much more in 2026. Now, the question I've got for you is this enough to get you to jump into the housing market and buy a house? Because, of course, the real estate companies have been predicting now for basically 3 years, hey, with lower rates, buyers are going to jump in the market. Is that you?